Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Preeti and today I will be discussing with you another IELTS topic, writing task 2, which is an essay. So let's read the statement first. Some people consider pricing as the most important thing to think about when buying a product such as cell phone or a service, for example medical treatment. Do you agree or disagree? So let's look at the answer now. Pricing has always been considered to be an inherently decisive factor for the purchase of any item. Some people opine that the purchase of any product definitely depends upon its cost. I do agree with this opinion, but in certain cases, the necessity of an item can outweigh price consideration. To begin with, it is essential that people restrict themselves to their budget and not get carried away by the advertisements showcasing valuable products. We should identify whether a product or a service is necessary or something optional. Further, if it is a necessity, we should compare the prices of two products serving exactly the same purpose. For example, a Samsung or an iPhone serve exactly the same purpose, yet there have been instances where in order to compete with their friends and relatives, people have borrowed and taken loans from the banks to buy expensive items like mobile phones and iPads. Those items are in reality not necessary for them, and they end up in huge debts. Moreover, some parents also use credit cards in order to fulfill the expensive demands of their children, such as branded clothes, footwear, and electronic gadgets. As a result, they end up paying huge amounts of interest. Such kind of temptation and spending must be taken care of, as it is important to save money to lead a secure and a progressive life. However, in certain situations, the cost of an item or a service cannot be a dominant factor in availing the same. For instance, a person suffering from a serious medical condition such as cancer or brain tumor will definitely go for the treatment even if it costs him lakhs of rupees. In this case, life of an individual becomes more important than money. Moreover, parents would not think twice before paying admission fee in lakhs of rupees if it is for the sake of better career of their children. Hence, the amount spent becomes justified. In conclusion, people should reflect upon their choices and limitations before spending large sums of money on various items or services. However, in few cases where health and life are of utmost importance, pricing can definitely be ignored without a worry. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope the information was helpful for you. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you keep getting updates about the more videos that I will be posting in the coming days. Thank you so much.